As Russia tried to set up the TOS-1 rocket launcher by the Nepro River, the system's short range made it vulnerable, even though it had a lot of firepower. Ukraine's drone army noticed this weakness and managed to destroy many TOS-1 systems. In the latest incident, an FPV drone got close and dropped something precisely, setting off the loaded rocket launcher. The rockets were packed together, causing a big explosion and a huge fireball. We're not sure if the drone made it out okay, but the smart move was sacrificing a cheaper drone to destroy a $6.5 million TOS-1. A system underscores Ukraine's effective strategy in diminishing Russia's arsenal of T systems for future confrontations.